Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi, Geordie Dave here and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing the Toyota Supra from the Fast and Furious stage 36. Hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please don't forget subscribe and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the chat. I'll get back in touch with you. So without further ado, let's crack on. As usual, first thing we'll do is we'll have a quick flick through the magazine. Bring this mic a little bit further down. Hopefully you can hear us better, a bit closer. Should be hear us a bit better now. I've had one or two people saying that my videos have been quiet, and it's because that mic, I push it up when I'm on the other camera. So we're going to be putting a drive shaft in and some other bits. So pretty straightforward. We'll build a drive shaft, put it in, put that over the top, put a piece over there. Now it shows you there and it shows you there, so looks like we've got that on the wrong side, and put that in. So here are the parts. Issue 36. We'll get them opened, we'll bring them and we'll crack on. Okay, we'll get this part and this part, and that's going to go in there and that's going to go in there with some EP screw. Where have I put my screwdriver? I think this is going to be fun to hold and get in. I might cut a screw first. What I'm doing is I'm going to cut the screw first, then I'll know that's going to go in. No. That in there. Try and hold that. Get this lined up. Looks like I've got it. Now I'm going to do the same with the other side. Excuse me. Tighten that up. Hard to hold when you tighten it up. It wants to spin. Let's straighten this up. I might have over tightened it there. So we're going to get this side. And then this side. And that's that. Now I thought I had a piece missing, but it's in the car. So go and get the chassis down, the car down, and get that piece, get that fitted on the end, and get it put in. Right, I'm going to get this there and into there. So tight fit that. Trouble is I can't get a screw in there. No, not going to work that way. So looks like what I have to do is, because this shows you with it out, but I can't get it out. Turn. Okay, so I turn that, get an AP screw, that goes in there. Can I turn that all the way around? Well, enough so I can get the screw in. That's that. Okay, turn this around. Get that lined with that. It's a T-shape hole, so I've got to get the hole the right way around. That's it. And that's that. All that is not going to turn. Okay, we're going to get this. This is going to fit over here. Nice, any special way. magazine, see if there's a special, because there's a cut out there. I don't know what it's for. Right, looks like the cutout's on that side. And it looks like that just pushes in. That's in there. Okay, then there's this. And I think this goes somewhere here. So I got my last page. Alright. So I've got the cut point there, yep. Right, got it on here somewhere. Definitely upside down. Okay, that's where it goes on here, so I'll get it tightened down. One. There's two. Now this is how it goes. Okay, the fuel filler goes here. Another two IM screws. Oh man. Warning. And was supposed to be two, but it didn't. Here, black on black. In, that's it. That's it. Yeah. And that is that. So that's issue 36 done. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time with another part of the build, issue 37. Like we're starting to, I think 37 we're going to start building the exhaust system. I'm sure it is. So catch you again next week. So don't forget, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So bye for now.